Today I'm going to pour a heart, and I just decided to pour a blue heart. The colors I'm using is purple. I hope you can see it. It's one I mixed myself with ultramarine blue and magenta, because I was out of purple. And here I have ultramarine blue and a silver. Well, this looks a little bit like anthracite grey, but it's just a mixture of paint that I catched off my previous canvas, so it's all colors mixed. And here I also have a Prussian blue, and I'm going to pour them in white. So I'll first start with pouring some white in my cup. A lot of white. And then I will stir in a little bit of the Meticone, because I do want cells today. I think that would be nice in a heart. 3 drops of the Meticone. I hope you can see. I will stir that a little bit through the white. Okay. Now I will pour in some purple. I'm just going to pour from high up high, it doesn't matter. A little bit silver. A little bit of the ultramarine blue. One drop of the Meticone. A little bit of the Prussian blue. And a little bit of white again. A little bit of the anthracite. I hope you call it anthracite in English. And a little bit purple. Okay. Whoa. I'm spilling paint all over the place. And I'll finish it off with a little bit of white. Okay. Now I will flip the canvas over. And I will pour a little white here on the edges. Oh, wait a minute, just checking. Oh yeah, you can see all right. It will help the paint flow, because it will be a little bit hard, I guess, to get the paint in the corners. That's why I got a really big flip cup. Okay, well, let me see what this has become. Wow. That looks nice. Well, I don't have to worry about catching the corners. I hope I get to keep that nice big cells. That does really look so pretty. Okay, I will just have to wash off. Where is my paper towels? Here it is. Now I think there's nothing more I can do because it already looks perfect. I just use the torch a little bit to blow out the air bubbles. Not too much, because I already like the way it is. I think I will do it like this because I don't want to ruin it with small cells. Okay, I will make a close-up for you guys so you can see. And here is my blue heart. What a nice big cells, don't you think? Yes, this is beautiful. I love it. I know this was a quick video, but there's nothing I can do anymore. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.